I welcome you all. In our previous class, we were discuss about what is matrix, rows and columns of a matrix, order of a matrix, equal matrices. Today we are going to discuss exercise 1.1. Find the order of the following matrices. You all know about the order of a matrix is number of rows by number of columns. Just check how many rows in a matrix and how many columns in that matrix. That is the order of a matrix. For example, let's do question number 1 of the exercise 1.1. Matrix A. How many rows are there in this matrix? This matrix has 2 rows, row 1 and row 2. So the order is 2 by how many columns are there? 1, 2. So the order of matrix A is 2 by 2. What is the order of matrix B? There are 2 rows, 1, 2 and 2 columns. The order of this matrix is also 2 by 2. What is the order of matrix C? There is 1 row and columns 1, 2. So the order of matrix C is 1 by 2. What is the order of matrix D? How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows by columns. How many columns are there? Only 1 column. So the order of matrix D is 3 by 1. What is the order of matrix E? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 rows and how many columns are there? 1, 2. 2 columns are there, so the order of matrix E is 3 by 2. What is the order of matrix F? How many rows? 1 row, 1 column. So order of matrix F is 1 by 1. What is the order of matrix G? Check how many rows are there. Row 1, row 2, row 3. How many columns are there? Column 1, column 2, column 3. So the order of matrix G is 3 by 3. Matrix H. 1, 2. 2 rows by columns 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. So that is the way how to find the order of the matrix. Just check how many rows are there and how many columns are there. First write the number of rows, then write by and then write the number of columns. Okay, that is the way how to find the order of a matrix. Question number 2. Which of the following matrices are equal? Just first read all the matrix carefully. Do all the algebraic operations which are required in these, then compare. For example, matrix A is 3, matrix B is 3 and 5. The elements or entries of matrix C is 5 minus 2, which is 5 minus 2, 3. So the element of C is 3. Entries or elements of matrix D is 5 and 3. Entries of E are 4, 0, 6, 2. Entries of matrix F is 2 and 6. Entries of matrix G are 3 minus 1, 2. And 3 plus 3, 6. Entries of matrix H are 4, 0, 6, 2. Entries of matrix I are 3, 3 plus 2, 5. entries of matrix J. 2 plus 2, 4, 2 minus 2, 0, 4 plus 2 or 2 plus 4, 6, and 2 plus 0, 2. Now just compare all the matrices, those are equal and those are not. For example, matrix A is equal to matrix C. Matrix A and C are equal because the order and the elements or entries of both matrices are same. We can say that matrix A equals to matrix C. Second, B, which is 3 and 5. Which matrix have these entries? 3 and 5. Matrix B, matrix I, B and I. So we can write matrix B equals to matrix I. Both have same entries and order is also same, 1 by 2. Okay, rest D, 5 and 3. Next E, 4, 0, 6, 2. E, H and J are equal. Both have same number of entries and the order is also same, so we can write E equals to H equals to J. Okay, then F 2, 6. G is 2, 6. So we can write matrix F equals to matrix G. Clear? This is the answer for your question number 2. Which of the following matrices are equal? Question 3. Find the values of A, B, C and D which satisfy the matrix equation. This is a matrix equation because the equality sign is there. Just compare both matrices which is on the right and which are on the left. Just compare both of them and write 4 equations. A plus C equals to 0. A plus 2B equals to 7. C minus 1 equals to 3 and 4D minus 6 equals to 2D. We get 4 equations which are as follows. Okay, now from these 4 equations, find out the value of A, B, C and D. From equation 1, there are A plus C equals to 0. A and C both are unknown, so we can't do anything from this equation. Let's move to equation 2, A and B. There is also 2 unknowns, we can't do anything from this equation. C minus 1 equals to 3. From equation 3, 1 is constant, 3 is constant, only 1 is C is unknown. So we can find out the value of C from this equation, which is C equals to 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Now we get C equals to 4. From equation 1, we get A equals to minus 4. Now we have A equals to minus 4 and C equals to 4. Okay. Now we can also get the value of B from 2. A equals to minus 4 from equation 2 plus B 2B equals to minus 7. 2B equals to minus 7 plus 4. Minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3. Now B is minus 3 by 2. We get A equals to minus 4, C equals to 4 and B equals to minus 3 by 2. Now what is D? We can find D from this equation. that is 4D minus 6 equals to 2D. There is only one unknown value, which is D. 6 is constant. Just add and subtract 4D minus 2D equals to 6. 4 minus 2 is 2D equals to 6, and D equals to 3. So we can get 4 equations from these four values from these 4 equations, which are A equals to minus 4, B equals to minus 3 by 2, C equals to 4, and D equals to 3. That is the answer for your question number 3 of your exercise 1.1. In our next video, we are going to discuss about the types of matrices. That is 1.2 topic of your textbook. Thank you.